Hello everyone, welcome to Jansi Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to install Python in your computer and how to install Visual Code in your computer. So that's all for today. So I'm going to show you step by step. So anyway, let's move on. Go away to your Google and then type python.org in order to install Python. And then when you type python.org, you can just click on downloads. When you click on downloads, you will see like the Python free here, right here. Python 3.12 and 2 and so on. So just click on it. After that one, directly you are downloading like the Python file, the Python setup, and then when you're done, you can go and then type visual visual code, and then after that you download video code here right down there, and then you can choose what is the system you are what the system you are using, like MacOS. If you are using MacOS, you can take MacOS. If you are using Windows, you can take Windows. For my case, I can take Windows, but I've already installed Visual Code. But anyway, so let's move on. I want to download it directly. Yeah, it's downloading. And then my Python file is already in my computer. So what can I do? So you must open it, and then you will see right here. And then click here in order to install everything. And then after that one, the window will pop up. And then this uninstall because so this like this is the setup of Python, but I've already installed in my computer. That's why you can see uninstall here, because I have already Python inside my computer anyway. So if you don't have any Python setup inside your computer, you can just click on it. You will see install here, and then you click and then you choose the path and so on, so that you can use it in your terminal. So anyway, I'm done with the Python, and then let's move on with Visual Code. Yeah, it's a downloading Visual Code, but there's also like a code editor like Sublime Text. Sublime, you can like download Sublime, but Sublime it's also good, but I really like Visual Code. That's why I'm downloading it. But in my case, I have already downloaded Visual on my computer anyway. So let's wait in order to finish the download. You can see everything here, the code we are going to install inside this C Python and so on. Yeah, that's all. So after downloading, we need to open it again and then click on it. You will see the pop-up windows. In my case, I've already installed everything inside my computer, you know, but I can now install it. If you want to install, just click I accept the agreement and then move on next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can like click there or not if you don't need it and so on. But you move again next, and then after that install. That's all. But in my case, I've already installed everything inside. This is this is a very quick and the very good tools we're going to use during our Python courses. So anyway, let's do a test. everything is okay now, but in order to test everything, we need to do like Windows. If you are using like a Windows system, you can click Window button and R in order to switch, and then type CMD and then hit enter. When you hit enter in your terminal, change directory CD desktop, and then I've already afford created inside my window. It's called the Learn Python. So I need to get in the Learn Python folder. Learn Python. Yes, I'm there. And then in order to create a file inside the Visual Code, you need to do the following. First, type code. After that, you can type index dot. In order to use the Python language, we need to use an extension called py. You know, yeah, Python dot it's like index dot py. You know, the code means Visual Code. We need to open the Visual Code, and the index means the name of our file, the first file we need to create inside the code. And then you hit enter. When you hit enter, you will see the windows, the opening windows, and then with index.py, which means we are going to use Python here. So anyway, in my case, I have already installed some extension inside my Visual Code. If you want to install too, you need to type here on parameter, and then after that extension, choose extension, or you can do the following, the shortcut Control Shift X and so on. You can install it, you can click on it, and then search Python. When you find Python, you can install. Everything is installed inside my Visual Code, but you can install too if you want in order to use Python well. So I recommend you to install the extensions. You know that will be good for you guys. Yeah, yeah. After that, let's do the test. Print hello, hello world, and then like see on the top or your right corner, and then click on it. When I click, let's wait. I've clicked, or you can click on your, so you can go back to your terminal and then type Python, means you are using Python, and then the name of your file index.py, and then hit enter. Hello world. Yeah, it works good. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. Thank you.